Okay, so if your check engine light comes on a 2015 F150 with the 2.7 EcoBoost, and take it to O'Reilly's and it throws a P1450 code, then there's a high likelihood that is the canister purge valve. So over here is the part number you need to get from Ford for canister purge valve. This is what it looks like. Looks like this right here. I'm going to show you how to put it on right now. So I've done some disassembly, a little bit of disassembly just to make things easier, but there's just two nuts on this top cover. You take that one off. They are 10mm. Take off your filler cap. And then this whole thing just lifts up and pulls towards you. All right. So, I couldn't find anywhere online where to find this part or how to get to it. And a buddy of mine works at Ford and he told me where it would be. So, I've already popped some of these tabs, but they're pretty easy to loosen up. There's 3 of them, and then this electrical connection. So we'll pop the electrical off. We'll pop those up, slide it out. This one came up, it comes out. And same thing here. All right. Now reverse, put it right back in. There you go. That's where it's located. That's how to replace it. Good luck. I'll put the part number in the description.